Ain't nobody been eating no damn gas station corn diggies around here. Very nice of people to drive by and throw their trash out where it ends up in your yard. We always appreciate that. She may be two-wheel drive, but she just looks up for a challenge, don't she? Damn floor's coming up. That's where we're getting a bigger, better shop. Welcome to Puddin's Fab Shop 2, where I get to have a little more personal interaction with you. About to get going on this dancing here, and I thought I would answer something that people's asked. I think it's out there. Me and old Sir Mordecus, we may have talked about it before. Hell, I figured I'd just set the record straight here. The century-old question of how did you get the nickname Puddin? You want me to be honest with you? You want me to shoot her straight? Would you like the story with no tall tales added? If I'm being totally honest, some of y'all's about to be disappointed. The story ain't that great. I would say even disappointing to most of y'all. When I was in high school as summertime help, I got me a job working down at the county, where the people who take care of the roads. I used to be responsible for maintaining Pot County. That's some britches not a lot can handle. We would do things like shovel asphalt and fill potholes. We'd build new roads. I'd have to run them tractors with the big robot brush arms to cut back brush along the roadside. Besides being a professional equipment operator at the age of 17, we had to do all kinds of stuff. Now, I got to go assist our main mechanic and our main fabricator a lot. They each had their own rig. If they had a big job that day, I was usually sitting with one of them to help. I ain't bragging or anything, but I was about the best sidekick around, all right? They just drove by. There went Brute. That was the guy I worked with. He literally just drove by. Good old Brute. You know why we called him Brute? That SOB breaks everything. I was a sidekick to some awesome people, just like Brute, just like Rob, just like Larry, just like Little Robert. I worked with some awesome freaking guys. I actually really enjoyed that job. Hell, where do you think I learned to arm swing? Someone's gotta hold that shovel, baby. Little Robert, our mechanic, I've actually cornered him down in the O-rallies and got him on camera before, but he talks about like this. Well, shit, Puddin, you know there's too many who's look Robert, cause I used to that out there. Robert's too foul for camera, is what I'm trying to say. He's rated D for damn. He's funny, he just ain't quite YouTube friendly. Now, Little Robert's the one who nicknamed me Puddin, and here's how it went down. Let the disappointment set in. One day, we go down to the local Pizza Hut for the buffet lunch. Now, mind you, I'm probably 17 at the time, 16 maybe, and I can eat. And I mean eat. I knocked down a few plates of pizza, and well, it was time for dessert. I ain't saying I cleared them out of the chocolate and vanilla pudding entirely, but I may have cleared them out entirely. That's it. I had all the damn pudding, right? I didn't know Little Robert was paying attention, but Little Robert was paying attention, okay? He's paying attention, I'm just eating. Fast forward an hour later or so, now Brute, he's running a road grader. Road graders, you gotta change the blades on them where they can cut more. It's hard to grade without no blades. These blades bolt on, no big deal. Impact them off, impact them on. New shiny blades on the grader, 2 scrap ones to take to the scrap pile. I'm carrying the scrap ones to the scrap pile. Allegedly, Little Robert yelled for me twice. He yelled my actual name twice, and apparently I did not hear it. Hell, I'm just carrying these blades, and then I hear someone yell, Puddin. I didn't hear the first 2 yells. All I heard was someone yell, Puddin. I turned and looked. He got this shit-eating grin from ear to ear. And from that day forward, anyone in South Pot County never called me my name again. From then on, it was Puddin. Here's a pro tip. The worst thing you can do in a situation like that is show those guys that it bothers you. It didn't bother me. I didn't give a damn. Hell, I had a nickname. I was happy. I embraced this nickname to a point where, as I started fabricating on this dad center around that same time, hell, I was proud of it. I put it on the door, Puddin's Fab Shop. Fast forward 10 years and we're building a brand all over the YouTuber. When I'm telling y'all, going into restaurants, going to gas stations, going wherever, people knowing me as Puddin, couldn't tell you a first name or a last name. Hey everybody, Puddin's here. Dead serious. So there it is. I put a hurtin' on the Pizza Hut buffet, and here we are. Probably not as good as the story as some of y'all were hoping, but that's the truth. That's the roots, baby. Hell, let me see if I still got this. My dad texted me the other day and he said, I got the first Puddin autograph right here. I said, what the hell are you talking about? And he sent me this picture. Yes, sir, there it is. That's my old hard hat from when we were clearing trees right there. I said, Dad, you hold on to that. That's your retirement fund. You put that thing on eBay, you're gonna pull a solid $17. My own dad called me Puddin. Everyone around here did. Of course, I lost the nickname when I went off to the Air Force for 6 years. And when I came back to Oklahoma after that 6 years and wanted to start a shop, start a YouTube channel, whatever, I just decided to pick up where I left off and let's get the old Puddin's Fab Shop going again. And wham bam, thank you ma'am. Actually, thank you guys for helping my channel grow and make it to the point where there's people who care enough to even hear this story that just disappointed you anyhow. I did not wear New Balances back then. I had work boots. Them work boots never felt this good though, I guarantee you that. Hopefully that answers that for a couple of y'all. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this little short video on our second channel here. I want to do more of these where I can answer some of the questions and yeah, have a little fun. Now I'd like to get little Robert on the channel. My two best friends from high school, they ask me all the time, dude, you gotta go get them. When are you gonna get them? And, you know, whenever we can figure out how to not censor out everything he says, we'll get them. So basically never is what I'm telling you. I appreciate you guys following, you know, interacting, just everything, all the constant support. Now I've got to get on this thing because sitting on your ass won't finish your project. Telling old tall tales from 10 years ago ain't gonna finish no project. So I'll see you guys next time. Hot damn, there's so much BS-ery, we had to start a whole channel for all the extras. Be sure to go check out Puddin's Fab Shop if you ain't seen that baby yet. Come on!